Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. It is class 11th, Political Science, and our today's topic is right to freedom, Article 19 to 22. Dear students, right to freedom is a fundamental right, and today we shall discuss these articles from 19 to 20. What sort of freedom an individual is given under these articles. Firstly, the Article 19 provides 6 freedoms to an individual according to the Indian Constitution, which are freedom of speech and expression. Number 2, freedom to assemble peacefully and without arms. Number 3, freedom to form association and unions. Number 4, freedom to move freely throughout India. Number 5, freedom to reside or settle in any part of India. And number 6, freedom to practice any profession, business or job throughout India. These 6 freedoms are guaranteed to every individual of the Indian territory under Article 19 of Indian Constitution. Now, Article 20, protection against arbitrary conviction. According to this article, no person should be convicted of any offense except for violating of a law in force at the time of commission of the act charged as offense. Number 3, Article 21. This article provides the protection of life and personal liberty to every citizen of India. This article provides that no person shall be deprived of his life or personal liberty except according to the procedure established by law of the state. Now there is Article 21A, right to education. According to this article was inserted in the Constitution of India by 86th Amendment, Constitutional Amendment Act 2002. And this article provides free and compulsory education to all children of India from the age of 6 to 14 years. That means right to education has been granted to every children of the Indian territory from the age of 6 to 14, and this is compulsory and free education. Now there is Article 22, protection against arrest and detention. Any person, if detained, must be informed for the grounds of detention. That means if any person, if detained or arrested, he should be informed that on what grounds he has been arrested or detained. And this Article 22 provides this protection against arrest or detention. And according to this article, the person is informed about the grounds of the arrest. Dear students, this was the today's topic. I feel this is much informative for you. Thank you.